Printfection by Custom Ink customers make custom kits for all sorts of reasons, like welcoming new employees, celebrating the holidays, elevating events, or even recognizing top customers and partners. It's easy. First, pick the swag you want in your kit and set it up in our platform. We'll help you choose the right size package to fit all your products. With Printfection by Custom Ink, you've got lots of choices for your packaging. Go with our standard options, or make it extra special with a custom designed polybag or box. Designing is super easy. Simply provide your logo or a completed design template to bring your box to life. Check out these awesome examples from some custom projects. Each box is a bit different, showing off how you can play with colors, logos, and designs. You can even throw in some colorful crinkle paper or custom inserts to match your brand feel. Once you've made all your choices and sent us your designs, we'll create virtual mock-ups for you. You give them a thumbs up, then you're ready to place your order. You can use our platform to send out your kits to everyone on your list. Hopefully, this sparks some ideas for your next custom kit project with Printfection by Custom Ink. Connect with your customer success manager to get started today.